Hey guys, Tyler Richard here with MarineMax Sailandski and Lakeway. I just want to go and take you through this beautiful 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This one's here in the showroom, and I wanted to kind of take you through a few of my favorite things on this boat. Number one being the elevation tower that is optioned on this boat. So you've got a hard mounted bimini to this. It's going to extend out from the front of it about 1.5 feet. And it's going to reach over to those back seats, so you're going to get tons of shade from it. And it's also going to be your tow point for any wakeboarding, skiing, tubing, that kind of thing. And it's really going to take this boat from being a true bow rider to a sport boat for the kiddos. Number two is going to be the helm. This one is optioned with a Simrad touchscreen display. It's going to give you all of your vitals, it's going to give you miles per hour, speed, your fuel readings, and it's got a ton of other apps in there, such as a fish finder and a full GPS map. This boat has a full wide open bow, so tons of seating up in the front. You're going to have 2 loungers on either side and a middle front seat that is removable. So if you guys wanted to enter and exit the boat from this point, removing this seat is going to cause you to not step on your upholstery and make it last longer. You've got a full bow anchor locker, so no more sticking your anchor and your anchor rope underneath the seat. This one is optioned with a anchor locker, so you guys can store it down here and keep the boat clean on the inside. Coming back to the back of the boat, this 210 is optioned with the 4.5 liter Mercruiser. It's going to be 250 horse, so you guys will have no problem getting up on plane and pulling the kiddos around on the tube. Again, I'm Tyler Richard here with MarineMax Sailandski and Lakeway. My phone number is 512-965-1114, and I look forward to seeing you guys out on the lake. Have a good one.